children were loving what they did with chalk. Now we are moving a step ahead, and it's with tablets.
Empowering Jamaicans to achieve their fullest potential with the use of technology is a mandate being carried out by the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining, primarily through e-Learning Jamaica. Together with the Ministry of Education, they are distributing approximately 27,000 computer tablets in 38 schools across the country under a pilot program.
The aim is that with the integration of tablets in the lessons that we can improve education and improve learning in the schools.
Our approach is to ensure that every single student is maximizing his or her potential.
The expectation is that this will facilitate the process of human capital development by exposing students and teachers to modern technology-driven practices and giving them the skills to function.
Some of the new skills that were taught was the use of an application called Schoology, which is an online learning management system where teachers are now able to create quiz, they are able to upload notes, they are able to provide feedback from the quiz that are given online to students. It has been aiding us really well. For me, I find it now easier to share, find, and collaborate with my students.
Using the tablet has made information more accessible during class, so forth. So if there's a certain topic that we need to look up, we can just go on the tablet and look it up right away.
Sometimes we don't have the book, we have the tablets. A teacher would put the work on the tablets. I would have it when we go home. It's not lost. It can be easily recovered. So it's much more easier.
The project, which is still in its initial stage, got off the ground in September. A review of the pilot is being undertaken to guide a full rollout starting in the 2015-2016 school year.
The tablets are intended to enable us to make a habit of success in this modern world in which technology is part of the workplace that our children will enter.
It's not just to help in education and for them to do better at school. It's also to help them to become innovators, to become entrepreneurs.
So just how has the Tablets in School project been facilitating the advancement of the teaching and learning process?
We have to ensure that teachers are properly trained and so that they can effectively carry out their tasks with the students.
The other thing that is special is that the pilot for all of the students and teachers is for free. Every single tablet, the internet infrastructure, you are getting it for free. We're going to be putting the textbooks on the tablet. So little Johnny won't have to be struggling with his knapsack with 10 books that you have to buy for $20,000. So that represents a significant saving for the parents.
There will be enough exercises on the tablets. There will be enough guided practice. There will be enough content on the tablets. And even of great importance is the fact that the students will be able to do their research using the tablets.
$1.4 billion has been spent on the technology that is enhancing the teaching capability of teachers and the learning ability of students. The 24,000 students and 1,200 teachers that are participating in the Tablets in School project will now be increasing the tech-savvy cohort of the population. These are individuals and institutions on their way to becoming masters and leaders in a technology-driven educational environment.
We have had teachers using the technology to integrate it for teaching and learning in the classrooms.
We are in what we call the information age, and that is power that we never had before. That is where education is going.